Ever wondered what it takes to make a woman miss you so intensely that she can't stop thinking about you? The kind of longing that lingers in her heart and makes her crave your presence. Well, get ready, because in this video we're about to uncover the secrets to creating that irresistible magnetic pull that leaves her yearning for you. It's time to delve into the art of making any woman miss you so bad that she can't help but fall head over heels for you. 1. Give them space. To make a woman miss you deeply, it's important to understand the value of giving her space. Imagine it like this: when you run a long race, you need to take breaks to catch your breath, right? Well, in relationships, giving your special someone some breathing room is just as important. Respecting her personal boundaries means not overwhelming her with constant attention. It's like allowing her to have her own time and freedom, just like you have yours. Everyone needs time to relax and pursue their interests, and when you respect that, you're showing that you appreciate her as an individual. Now, here's the magic part. When you give her space, it creates a sense of anticipation. It's like waiting for something exciting to happen. You start looking forward to the moments you'll spend together, and when you finally do, they become even more special. So, if you want a woman to miss you like crazy, give her room to breathe. Let her have her own time, and you'll find that she'll start longing for those moments when you're together. Remember, respect and space are key to making your relationship stronger and more exciting. 2. Stop text bombing. Avoiding the act of text bombing, which means sending lots of messages in a short time, is super important for maintaining a good and attractive connection with someone. It's okay to want that person to miss you and eagerly wait for your messages, but bombarding them with too many texts can actually have the opposite effect. Instead of making them miss you more, it might make them feel overwhelmed or pressured. When you stop yourself from constantly reaching out, you create a sort of breathing space for them. Think of it like leaving room for their thoughts and feelings to grow, like giving a plant space to grow tall and strong. This space is where anticipation starts to build up. They start looking forward to the next time they get to talk or see you. By allowing them to be the one who starts the conversation sometimes, you show that you truly care about what they want and how they feel. It's like giving them the keys to the car and letting them choose when to take a drive. This approach can make them appreciate your presence even more, because they know it's not forced or pushy. So remember, giving them space when it comes to texting and communicating is a smart way to make someone miss you and cherish your connection. It's like planting the seeds of anticipation and letting them grow into a strong and beautiful bond between you two. 3. Maintain a bit of mystery. Maintaining an element of mystery in your relationship is akin to infusing it with a dose of exhilaration and intrigue. Picture this. Relationships, like any good story, need some suspense and surprise to keep them engaging. When things become too predictable, the spark can dwindle, and the connection may lose its thrill. So, if you want someone to miss you dearly, it's vital to allow them space to wonder about your life beyond the time you spend together. Think of it as sharing parts of a puzzle. You give them some puzzle pieces, but you don't reveal the entire picture. This artful withholding of information sparks curiosity and anticipation in their mind. It's akin to reading a thrilling book with unexpected twists and turns. You become the enigmatic protagonist of their story, leaving them eager to unravel the mysteries that surround you. While it's undoubtedly wonderful to share aspects of your life, it's equally important to leave room for their imagination to roam freely. Let them contemplate the exciting surprises you might have tucked away. It's in these moments of wonder and speculation that the magic happens. Your relationship takes on an air of unpredictability, reigniting the flames of excitement and desire. The essence of mystery revitalizes your connection, making it vibrant and captivating. It's the secret ingredient that ensures they miss you even when you're physically apart. Remember, a touch of mystery keeps the relationship's storyline intriguing and your presence ever cherished. So, don't be afraid to let them wonder about the fascinating tales you have yet to share. 4. Be busy. Being a busy and independent individual can significantly enhance your attractiveness within a relationship. It's akin to possessing a unique aura that naturally captivates those around you. When you maintain a vibrant and fulfilling life that extends beyond your romantic involvement, you communicate a vital message. You are a multifaceted person with your own passions and adventures. Imagine it as crafting a masterpiece of intrigue. Instead of being the center of someone's universe, you are a fascinating galaxy unto yourself. This perspective offers a refreshing contrast to the conventional norms of relationship dynamics. When you prioritize your personal interests, it creates a space in your partner's life for longing and curiosity to flourish. They begin to wonder about the exhilarating experiences you're encountering when you're apart. Akin to solving an enticing puzzle, your independence becomes a magnetic force drawing them closer. By wholeheartedly embracing your passions and commitments, you not only enrich your own life, but also invigorate the relationship. You become a well-rounded individual who is not solely reliant on the relationship for fulfillment, thereby keeping the connection fresh and exhilarating. 5. Nurture your goals. Cultivating and pursuing your personal goals and passions is akin to adding a unique and enticing flavor to your character. It's like spicing up the recipe of your life with an irresistible ingredient. When someone witnesses your unwavering determination and unbridled drive, it's almost impossible not to earn their admiration and respect. Think of it as a magnetic force, drawing people in like moths to a flame. Your relentless dedication to your aspirations makes you incredibly attractive, not just in a romantic sense, but as a person to look up to and be inspired by. It signals that you are more than just a partner. You are an individual with dreams and ambitions that extend far beyond the boundaries of the relationship. So, as you nurture your goals and chase your dreams with unyielding enthusiasm, you become an embodiment of inspiration and determination. This, in turn, intensifies the yearning others feel for your presence. They see the incredible person you are, both within and outside of the relationship, and that fuels their desire to be close to you. 6. Create memorable experiences. Crafting memorable experiences is like creating a treasure chest of cherished moments in your relationship. To make someone miss you deeply, it's essential to tailor these experiences to their interests and passions, making them truly unforgettable. Imagine it like this. Every unique adventure, whether it's a romantic picnic, exploring an art exhibition, or embarking on a spontaneous road trip, is like a page in a storybook. You want these moments to be enchanting and magical. You become the vibrant force that ignites their imagination and makes their hearts skip a beat. These shared adventures become precious memories that they'll hold close to their heart and long for when you're apart. So put thought and effort into creating these special moments. It's the secret ingredient that keeps the flame of desire burning and makes someone miss you intensely. Your ability to craft unforgettable experiences is like weaving a tapestry of love and longing in your relationship. 7. Embrace your worth. Embracing your own worth is the foundation of any healthy relationship. While it's natural to want someone to miss you, it's crucial to always remember your intrinsic value. You are a treasure with your own dreams, ambitions, and unique qualities that make you special. Think of it like this. You're not just trying to make someone miss you. You're seeking a deep and genuine connection built on mutual respect and love. When you know your own worth, you become the kind of person who seeks authentic and heartfelt connections. So, never lose sight of your value and don't settle for anything less than a relationship that truly appreciates and celebrates you for who you are. Your self-worth is the compass that guides you towards fulfilling, loving relationships that make both you and your partner truly miss each other when you're apart. By employing these strategies, you can create a sense of longing and make someone miss you deeply. Remember to respect personal space. Avoid bombarding them with texts, maintain a bit of mystery, lead a fulfilling life, nurture your goals, create memorable experiences, and always embrace your worth. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.